Hey guys, and welcome back to another Phantom Forces video. Oh no, straight away. Should have done after defeat. And obviously you got beat. Alright. I voted Warehouse Kill Confirm because I haven't done that one yet, I don't think. Put in the comments what your favourite mode is and your favourite map. Find to know. Killer Hill is it looks like it's Mirage? Oh no, it's just my hand. Hey, this. I get a couple of kills, but no. Quiet. Shoot all this glass down. Oh crap! Oh god. I did some damage to him. He's not 100 health. Is Luke on my team? No, he is not. And I got the downstairs. He's on my team. What's that? Sorry about that background noise. The cousins from last video. If you haven't seen it, it's Nerf War Team TNT versus the Eliminator. Sorry about the dark in the first half. Yeah, sorry about that. I'm just gonna have another practice Nerf War, so we're gonna beat them again. Put in the comments who do you like best. Who do you think won? Put in the comments for that video though. Oh gosh, I kept dying. How are you going, Luke? Are you getting lots? I don't think I got any. No, I don't have any kills. Alright. Yeah, it takes up so much. You shot me. I hate moving around. I like when I'm just standing there. Hold MG once again. Sorry about that. He's only 6. Too noisy this morning. It's terrible. Oh, there's he in the window. Is it Lucky? No. Treehouse, where's your treehouse? Oh, I don't know. Gosh, I need some silence here. Okay. Where are you at? Where are you, Luke? Oh, did you just kill me? No, I was City 999. No. Oh, I spawned on the floor. I have to check where I spawned. 8 spawn in here. Need like a ladder. 0 still. Is there a shooting at me? No. I hate going up these stairs. What is this lead one? Oh god. Gosh, I just ranked up just before we started this video. Now I'm on 17. What does it have on those layers? Let me get off now. Oh yeah, this is good. This is. I can see you, buddy. Yep, I can see you.
Oh, where's the charger?
Oh, yeah, that's the guy I killed before and he came up behind me. I don't. Oh, you're standing right there. We need some music. Let's put some music on. See, nah, let's not put some music. Do you want music, Luke? Put in the comments if you want music for the next video. Yo. Oh, let's watch streets if you don't. You might be able to hear background music there. Are you the one at the hill there? Because there's like so many people. Oh, here's a clock 17. That's the one I just got from waking up for 17. Make a man. Ah, he's on the other team. Okay, I killed him. Don't worry about that. Nothing to. Oh crap. I was about to say nothing to worry about. I was totally wrong. Yeah, we are. Screen recorder. Yep. So. Right, what should we do? I'm gonna do flare domination rather than attention. Nice guys. Oh, it keeps one on the ground. I die every single second. He had to survive. Too bad. I want to go up again. I learned my lesson from last time. Ah, hey. There we go. Crap, that guy saw me. How did they get me after that though? Don't get it. Where's someone that's not on board? Okay, he's next to a ladder, so that's alright.